Hi everyone, my name's Darcy from Darcy's Beauty on TikTok, and today I'll be showing you how to do a perfectly sculpted nail for beginners. Here is everything you need, including acrylic monomer, acrylic polymer and a brush. Firstly, I'll be sticking on my tips. I'm only going to be doing this on one finger. If you're doing this to all hands, you will prep your nails using a dehydrator, a primer and filing, but I am going to be using the peel off base coat just for practice. Here I am using my nail bond glue and I'll be sticking the tip to the tip of my finger. Here I'm using the Glitterbels acrylic powder in Peacherbel Soft. I prep my tip by cutting it down. If you weren't doing a practice nail like me, you would file off the shine from the tip, but only because I'm doing a practice nail I don't do this step so the tip doesn't fly off of my finger. I file the edge with a hand file to make sure the tip is nice and sharp. When I first go to sculpt my nail, I pick up the bead. To start off, I place my acrylic in the gap where the natural nail meets the tip. I smooth the acrylic down the nail, making sure there is no lumps and bumps. When I pick up my second bead, I usually put it down at the bottom of the nail and smooth it upwards so it blends in with the bead that I just placed. To help with the flow of acrylic, I tilt my nail down so it does not flood the cuticle, which prevents lifting. I like to frequently turn my nail to the side to make sure everything's nice and smooth and there's no bumps. When placing the cuticle bead, it is important to tilt your nail down so you do not flood the cuticle. I like to gently pat the acrylic towards the cuticle. I like to frequently turn my nail to the side to make sure there's no lumps and bumps, and I also like to swipe around my nail just to make sure there's no acrylic on my skin. Hey man. Here you can see me just adding small beads of acrylic just to build up my apex. After I finished placing my acrylic, I like to take my hand file and make sure all the edges are nice and sharp. Always make sure to file at a 90-degree angle. After I use my hand file, I like to take my electric file and make sure my apex is perfection. I use a medium grit sanding band and I make sure that the drill is on a medium to slow setting. finished all the filing, I take my buffer block and buff out any of the scratches in the nail. I then take my brush and swipe off any of the remaining dust. Finish off, I use my gel top coat, but this is optional as you do not need a gel top coat, you can also use a normal nail polish top coat. I cure my nails under the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Then you can pick the cuticle oil of your choice, go around your cuticle just to hydrate the nail. And here we have the finished product. Now ready, set, do.